1955 Aussie champ, British made obviously, has all the running gear as Rolls Royce. So the Ferret Stout car and the Saracen are sort of the same family. So this has got the 4-cylinder, the Ferret's got the 6, the Saracen's got the straight 8. That makes it just cut cylinders off in a nutshell. So a lot of the components interchangeable, like distributor, generator, a lot of that stuff, 24 volts. I bought this not running. I like to say that, you know, batteries are running. So yeah. Australians had 400 of them in the late 50s, and they were in service till about the mid-60s. Then they just went off. Land Rovers are cheaper and easier to maintain, and they got rid of these things. So see, 5-speed forward, 5-speed backwards. So top speed's about 70 k's, so to do 70 kilometres an hour backwards as well. Yeah, so forward and then reverse, yeah. Independent suspension, so yeah, for a 70-year-old car, it's a lot better than a lot of brand new four-wheel drives off-road. And Jeeps tend to bounce. Yeah. But this thing just sits on the road pretty nice. It's sort of like people like this, you know. So I don't care if it gets beaten around or I drive it about. Yeah. Is it good? Everything works. The windscreen folds up, we've got a roof behind, canvas roof, and it's also got metal frame doors that bolt on the side and sort of canvasy. And it's just fun driving like this with no roof off. And it's road registered, so I'm a historic rego, so it drives around a fair bit. Get a few looks, yeah. I've got a that hole there is for a gun mount for a Bren gun. So I've got a fake Bren gun, and the clips in the side. There's 4 clips in here. They're for 3.0s. So I've got like 4 3.03s in it as well, which I've got fake ones then as well. No, you haven't. No, I should. I'm in it on Sunday. Go with Sunday, but I've got a Brock Commodore, a VK Calais, so I've got an Austin 7 as well and other things, but I'm taking my newer car this year. I did have that other Austin that's on the placement like you were saying, but yeah, that actually caught fire. I was charging my fault, had the battery out of the batteries under the seat in the Austin, and I was charging it in the middle of summer, and the heater and the heat in the seat just went up.